Blue, I will not marry less privileged woman.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Promise Word for the Real Gist. Greetings, my lovely people. I don't come again, may I give una the latest happening wey dey happen around us. Toto Dike come out say people dey always dey ask am why e go do plastic surgery. Na im show us the reason why e go do plastic surgery. Una see this picture wey una dey see for here, so na be the reason why e go do plastic surgery. If you see this picture here na im nyash flat, the other one im nyash big. So which one una like for inside? Na the nyash wey e flat or the one wey e big? Make una discuss am for this comment section. Make we go to the next news anyway. Our crossdresser Chase Brown dey sick. He say pray for me. Crossdresser Chase Brown says as he share video from his sick bed. Celebrate and appreciate me now that I'm alive, still recovering. Pray for Princess of Africa, Chase Brown. Na be name una pray for am. I come dey even dey imagine. I no dey see this boy again. Where he come dey? I no dey see am to show off again, talk again. Cause me I even still like the boy the way he still dey do. Now na e dey sick. Abeg, e need una prayer. Make una pray for am. Chase Brown, please you recover soon by God's grace. God, we dey miss you. We dey miss your show and your things wey you dey do. Anyway, this one, so when I even see am say e shock me, I read am for am. Family cry out as vigilante allegedly kill a father of 3 children in Benin City, Edo State. The vigilante e shoot father of 3 children o. Person wife, according to the story, say the man dey go work in the morning. Vigilante tell am stop, no gree stop. E come shoot am. Now na the vigilante go write say the man no be boy again. The man jump e fence, na im shoot am. Tell me wetin, as dem come reach the man, dem come investigate the place. Na the man na e no get fence for im house. Dem no even fence im house at all. Make for the video dey, make una watch the video, make una see the man wey dey for the question am.
My name is Kingsley David, and I want to speak regarding the case of my elder brother, Mr. Boston David. This my brother was shot to death by this very vigilante man at Erediawa, Upper Sakumba Road, Benin City. My brother was going to work. He's a bus driver. He was going to work as early as 6 a.m. in the morning, where this vigilante man chased my brother and pursue him and shoot him to death. And according to a statement in one particular division, State CID, he wrote that my brother jumped into his compound, and while he was about to jump out from the compound, that is when he shot him to death. But luckily, we went to the incident scene and we discovered that this man's compound was not fenced. He shot an innocent man for no just cause, and this man died with 2 kids and a breastfeeding baby, making it.
Come. Stop. You jump first. I say jump this way then. I don't want to go. You jump again. I say stop. Don't run again. Jump. You jump. Stop.
Wait, so what I want to get clear, when the police person, they can't stop for your compound.
As they say thief, bro, so I know feel that. You don't have to do that. That's my small brother. Where's your police person? Even people who do that, and they say thief. That thief. And break me. Me and do this process. And like that. Not like stop. No. You be like, stop. You don't matter. What thing when they say thief for this like me? Because every day we don't see. I don't go there. Don't run past. My children don't run. That me dog. You see that? That is sleeping. Say, Mama, don't.
Una see am, so wonder shall never end. Una see dem, so they keep for that Nigeria for free o. Just like that, because say na vigilante, no be even soldier now. Soldier go dey do you, police go dey do you. Another vigilante wey dey say make dey guide the community, go still dey shoot people die just because say e hold gun for hand. Na wetin this vigilante na im do so. And now e go write say the man go thief for house, e jump fence, na im shoot am. Imagine, and the man na don die, na the children now wan train am. The wife now suffer, now e don continue from there. I pray make this woman and see who wan take care of this help am take care of this children for am. May this man so rest in peace. We'll go to this one. So it happened for Lagos State. Tragedy averted as train goes off the railway in Ikeja, Lagos. Rain wey comot for track for Lagos o. Thank God say nobody die. You see the people now, they park come out for inside the railway so. Now see Nigeria wan kill people. Who come how manage wetin come make railway comot for track now? How we gonna be going start for all these people now? You know what I mean? You see people wey dey park come out, you know how many people dey for this train so. When be say comot for train line, comot for trainway. So I wish now be going start for all of them don die be that o. You hear say people don die for train dey, and na know say train no good, rain the train track don no good again. Una still carry train pack people, and this train for Lagos na so dey pack people full and head to toe. People go still dey for the up of the train still dey waka with load. They go have meeting up on the morning and watch the video.
Wahala for Ikeja. Na Ikeja we dey so. Train comot for train lane o. He wan kill people. Train comot for train lane. Thank God for life.
For life, you will waste many people here.
How we wan even pass go the other side now? See people. See people.
This one na our BB Naija Katsina husband Bone gifted her a house on her 27th birthday. You see all these BB Naija people. See husband o, see husband wey still come show up. The man come even come wish am happy birthday. 27 years old girl, see husband wey marry, and now dey laugh Regina Daniel say go marry old man. See the way this one marry now. May I put the video for now. Mona hear where the husband for the wish am happy birthday.
Happy birthday, love. I hope you have a really, really nice birthday. And I hope that your happy birthday presents make this a very memorable occasion. I know our Lil will be there with you, and she'll enjoy it as much as you will, I'm sure. You work hard all year, and you deserve a nice happy birthday. Love you so much, and I miss you. Enjoy the day. Lots of laughs, lots of hugs, lots of kisses, and lots of rest. Well, I'm sure.
Na see husband.
You work hard all year.
See husband when you go head marry, and Regina Daniel will open you when you go marry you.
Love you
na
so
say
much.
Marry old man.
And I miss you.
And this is the one this one married. So 27 years. How many years you take senior Regina Daniel?
And lots of
He can't still
rest.
come outside. I have 3 houses in Nigeria and 1 in Spain. BB Naija Zina. BB Naija Kana. Bina Katsina. Count her blessings with this old man. You know, later they will come outside because they do, I have the house, I have a car, I buy million for a car, Range Rover, Range. You know, say now you born, now they go the marry old man. Counting my blessings at 27. Famous. Husband who is a crown over my head. Now she dey talk am so. My adorable daughter who make me feel I have everything good in life. 3 houses in Nigeria. The latest one in Spain. And many more. No double. I'm greasing graceful. Happy birthday indeed. You hear am? Na the girl be this one so. When they would draw tattoo for her body that time. Person draw a tattoo for her body. Come and say where they go draw a tattoo for her. Draw itself. Where they go draw her for their back. Because no one give them money. So as the able husband wish am happy birthday finish, she come reply am. I can't wait till tomorrow. Mr. John to Miss Jones. I no dey use jazz o. My mama use better soap take baff me. Wahala. My old wine buy the best gift. See, Emma no dey laugh Regina Daniel again say go marry old man, because all these people wey say they showcase car, all of them don hide marry. If this Mr. Bona no come outside for public now come wish this Kina birthday, you no know say he don marry old man, na he dey buy the latest car, latest Range Rover, latest this one, don buy me a house, he achieve good house, he achieve this one. Maybe not dey say Regina don dey go marry old man again. Na choice. She do her come out. It's better for this one wey dey hide. They do wetin we no know for corner. Take dey buy house, buy car. You know see wetin this man talk na say at the age of 27 we don achieve everything. What of them wey no go they go hang themselves? All this one no dey make blood money dey dey for Nigeria, so they kill each other, dey make money. Anyway, this one so now, he say if I blow, I won't marry a less privileged woman. He say if he blow no go marry a less privileged woman, he go marry diaspora, Oyibo in diaspora or Spanish in diaspora. But my people na hear this man for the talk am.
I blow. I will not marry less privileged woman. Never in my life.
Which kind of woman you can marry?
I would like to marry America in diaspora or Canadian in diaspora.
Hey!
Just like that. But
No
I will
lie.
not marry less privileged woman.
You want to go marry. He never ever blow now. Na here abi, he never ever blow now. He no want marry less privileged woman at the age of how many years? You see dey like, and he don dey old o, he never ever blow. If you come blow, which share okay, make we just say which share this one I want to blow now. No mama, which share I pray make he blow. I pray make he blow. May go marry diaspora woman. May no marry less privileged woman. Cause I don't know what this English mean. But when me laugh, when I leave the comments, when I leave una opinion for the comment section. Then for end this video, when I like this video, share, like, and comment. Stay with me for Promise Word for the real gist. Peace out.